Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, levels of strategy. So last session we discussed about corporate level strategy. Now we are going to discuss business level strategy. So corporate, it's an organization. Business, if you're doing a business, right? So business level strategy is more likely related to a unit within the whole. It's concerned with competition in a market. So the concern are about what products or services should be developed and offered to which markets in order to meet customer needs and organizational objectives. Because if you see that business level strategy, taste and preference will be differ from one person to another person. And also taste and preference will be differ from one day to another day. So each day depends upon the taste and preferences by the customers. Depends upon the customers, we are going to manufacture your product. You're doing a business. At this level, multifunctional strategies developed at corporate level are formulated and implemented for specific product market in which the business operates. Thus, managers at this level translate general directions and intent into concrete functional objectives. Decisions at this level include policies, because policies are very important for every organization. It involves, if you're going to new product development, marketing mix. Marketing mix is nothing but product, place, price, promotion. If you're going to manufacture any product, it will be accessible by the customers in any place. The place it will be near to that particular customers. And also price, you're fixing the price of your product, it will be flexible for everyone. And promotion can create the awareness about the particular product. The research and development, then human resource, etc. So it's a business level strategy. Functional or operational level strategy. Functional strategy involves decision making with respect to specific functional areas like production, marketing, personnel, and finance. While corporate and business level strategies are concerned with doing the right things, functional strategies stress on doing things right. So doing the right things, it will be common, but functional strategies doing things right. So operating level strategy is concerned with strategic approaches for managing frontline operating units like plant, sales, etc. and for handling day-to-day tasks of strategic significance like advertising campaign. So every day you can do the advertising campaign, purchasing materials, inventory control, maintenance, etc. Thus, it focuses on how the different functions of the enterprise contribute to the other levels of strategy. The functional level strategic management is the management of relatively narrow areas of activity which are of important, pervasive, or continuing importance to the total organization. So next, now only we are entering into the subject strategic management. So strategic management. So still we discussed about strategy. So how to manage the particular strategies. So what do you mean by strategic management? Strategic management is a set of management decisions and actions that determines the long run performance of a corporation. So if you're going to take a decision, is very, very important. If any organization, any business, if you're taking a wrong decision, the organization will not success. So decision making is very important. So strategic management is a set of management decisions. So it includes environmental scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation and evaluation, and control to achieve the objectives of an organization. The study of strategic management emphasizes the monitoring and evaluating of external opportunities and threats in light of a corporation's strengths and weaknesses. So if you're going to take a decision, you can analyze, that is a SWOT analysis. What about the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats? As per Fred or David, strategic management is an art and science of formulating, implementing, and evaluating cross-functional decisions that enable an organization to achieve its objective. As per Chenon, strategic management is defined as that set of decisions and actions that result in formulating of strategy and its implementation to achieve the objective of the corporation. So next you can see the picture, strategic management process. So there are 4 steps in the strategic management process. Step 1, setting up of strategic intent. It's nothing but what about the intention, planning. So vision, mission and objective. Strategy formulation, environmental appraisal, organizational appraisal. Strategy implementation, activation of strategy, designing structure, process and system, behavioral implementation, functional implementation, operational strategy. Then finally, we are going to evaluate the strategy, whether the strategy it will be effective or not. So strategy evaluation and control, it have to evaluate, monitor, and again it will be review. Thank you all for watching. Next session, we are going to discuss in depth about strategic management process. Thank you all. Thank you all for watching.